Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Review my usage experience. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is an enterprise resource planning (ERP) system designed for small and medium-sized businesses. It helps manage various business processes, including finance, sales, service, and operations, all in one place. Key features include inventory management, order processing, financial reporting, and customer relationship management (CRM). Their website provides details on specific functionalities and pricing plans. Microsoft positions Business Central as a user-friendly and scalable solution. They emphasize ease of use and integration with other Microsoft products. The website highlights features aimed at improving efficiency and providing real-time insights into business performance. Pricing is based on subscription models, varying depending on the number of users and required features. Availability is global, and you can check specifics on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The initial setup took about an hour, mainly configuring user accounts and importing our existing data. The interface, while initially a bit overwhelming, became intuitive after a few days. I particularly appreciated the customizable dashboards. I created one specifically for sales performance tracking, which proved incredibly useful. I found the inventory management tools exceptionally helpful, significantly streamlining our stock control. Performance was generally excellent. The system was consistently responsive and reliable. I had a quick question about integrating with our existing CRM, and their support responded within a day via email. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve. Some of the advanced features took time to master. Another minor issue was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for full functionality, though a browser-based version works well on mobile devices. The standout feature for me was definitely the real-time financial reporting, providing much clearer visibility into our profitability. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. It's a powerful tool that significantly improved our operational efficiency. That's my overview of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.